Hi everyone, it is the 22nd of December, so exciting, and we have this gift to colour today. This is from the Rita Berman book. We have been working through her Advent page. If you haven't seen any of the previous videos, they're all in a playlist. Look in the description, you can find it, and you'll be able to, it's called, I think it Rita Berman Christmas colouring or something, so it isn't just these pictures, but you'll find them all in there anyway, and they're in the title. It will say Advent Day 1, 2, 3, etc., so you can find them. Anyway, time to colour a gift. I'm having a think about the colour. I think we need something slightly orangey, to be honest. We haven't had, but our last gift we did, so we did a gift all the way up here and it was orange. And we did one down here and it was blue and silver. But I'm trying to think about what colours was sort of missing from this area of the page. I'm thinking it's sort of, we could do with some orange again, really. But maybe I will not do that because it'll be too much the same as our other orange gift. So maybe we'll do some reds instead. Let's grab, what colour is that? Yeah, let's grab our Cadmium Red, because it's quite orangey, you can't see that, and start. I'm going to do the thick stripes in this red, and we're going to keep it quite simple. I suspect you've probably got a lot to do today if you celebrate Christmas. My children finished college today, so they don't finish early, so they'll be doing their whole day, but one of my sons doesn't have any classes today, so he's just going to be studying and trying to get his holiday work done, and the other one has got one class, I think, only a short class, so he'll probably be doing a bit of studying too. They might have chess club today. I'm not sure if all the extracurricular activities run on in the last week. So tomorrow they'll be home, and it's my wedding anniversary tomorrow, which is cool. But the children and husband are all going off to get a haircut because they couldn't book the hairdresser any earlier. So that's quite fun for them. But I'm not. I don't do haircuts. So I don't think I've had my hair cut. My mum sometimes does it for me. She hasn't. I was due one, and then we had coronavirus and haven't had one. So it's been quite a long time. But anyway, it tends to just break and split, and it's so, you know, I'm trying to think of what colour to do this stripe. We could go with a really dark red. I think that's what we'll do. Whoops. Oh, I can't get hold of it because it's so teeny. We'll go for 225, which is dark red, and we'll do these stripes. I might show you a different way to do some shadow. So where these ribbons are, there would be a little bit of shadow under them, and I'll show you how we can approach that. Maybe in a slightly different way to what we've done before. I'm going to go back over all that lighter red because now I can see all my gaps. Don't worry if you go over the top of the dark red, because it can take it. I just want this to be really intense. It does look quite orangey, which is good because that's, I think that colour will work. Got to think about the colour of our ribbons as well. But let's this ribbon at the top here I'm going to do with this deep dark red colour. You can do them quite light to start with. And then think about where it's going to be darker here, right close to the knot, like that. And a little bit at the bottom. Yeah, I think that'll do nicely. Oh, I can hear a siren outside. Now, shadowing. I rather like using a dark sepia for a shadow. And you just go over the top of the black line and a little bit below, and the same here. For the upper bit there won't be quite so much, I don't think. I'm trying to keep it a little bit thinner, like that. You can see it gives the impression that there's a bit of a shadow under the ribbon. I'm going to do the ribbon, I think, in this colour. It is light yellow ochre. I don't think you can see. And I'll show you. So I'm going to do it darker here and fade it towards the centre, and darker here and fade it. I don't want it to be too much white, but just fade it down so it looks like it's a shiny ribbon. There we go. On the top we have a bow again. I don't think I'm going to colour it in, because all our other bows like this we have left uncoloured, like this one. So I'm going to leave it, because it's going to look a little odd if we colour that in and don't colour. I have gone out the lines though, so I'm just going to grab my little eraser and try and get rid of that a little bit. There we go. So that was quite quick again today. I'm just looking, do we have any more little details to do? No. The only thing we haven't done are all these circles for the sort of cord that the items are hanging on. And I haven't actually decided what I'm going to do for that yet, so I'm not going to do it with you today. What I want to actually do, truthfully, is to wait until I've done it all and then see what's going to match. So I've just got to wait and see, really. So there we go. So thank you very much for watching, and happy colouring.